Hello and welcome back. In our path to create an RDM GUI and web frontend to our little own RDM system, we first want to test the connection to the database. So we use Streamlit to build a web application, and then Streamlit is also interacting with SQL Alchemy. So first we need to initialize the connection. So we use the Streamlit connection object and tell it it's a Postgres database of type SQL. And now, of course, we need to define how we access the database. Here is a hidden directory called .streamlit, and in there we have created a file .secrets.ml. So if you open this file, this contains the connection details to our demo database. We use an external files database hosting service for this, and it's just a demo database. So we tell it it's a Postgres database, and here on this URL we can find the server with the port, the username, and the password. So once we've defined the connection, we can use this to get a query, and we get back a pandas data frame. So we now enter the SQL statement manually. Of course, we could do something more clever here with, for example, SQL Alchemy. But since we have a very simple database for now, we can write the SQL ourselves. So when to retrieve the sample names and the storage locations from the database, and because it's spread out across two tables in the database, we need to join. So this is the same select statement that we have encountered previously, executed here as a string. Now with this data frame, we can print this in our web app. So we have the columns, and we give it the sample name, the storage location, and we also have the index, and this data frame here, this is the one we returned from the database. So let's execute this. Streamlit run ConnectionTest. And here is our web GUI. We didn't add any interaction, we just connect to the database and see what's in here. As you can see, this object here, this is the Streamlit data frame and returns the values that are currently in the database.